Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Xbox 360 and signing into the profile you will change. Once signed in, make sure a storage device is connected and has room for small theme files. This avoids errors later. Then press the Guide button, move to Settings, and select System Settings so you land where Personalization options live. You do this now because accessing System Settings is the first actionable step that unlocks background and theme controls, so don't delay. Once in System Settings, go to Display or Personalization and open Theme or Background. You then decide. Pick an installed theme for speed or go to Xbox Live Marketplace to download new themes. Downloads may require sign-in and storage selection. If you prefer a custom image, copy JPEG files to your connected storage device, then choose Custom Background and select the image. Make sure to preview each option, so you know how the dashboard colors and icons will change before applying them. You finish by selecting the desired theme and choosing Apply so the dashboard updates. Let the console save changes and refresh. If the new look does not appear, restart the Xbox 360 and double-check which storage device the theme was saved to, because misassigned storage can block application. If issues persist, clear the system cache or re-download the theme, and make sure your console has the latest system update. This resolves most theme installation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.